Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to screenshot on your AYANEO Pocket S2 Pro. Okay, so as you can see here, I have the AYANEO Pocket S2 Pro and let's screenshot. We have three different methods. The first one is the most common one, power and volume down at the same time. And it does a screenshot real quick. If you like, you can use another method, which is either pressing and holding on the power button, then tapping on screenshot, or you can click on power and volume up, then tap on screenshot. But if you're using this method, you're using it most likely because you don't want to use two buttons at once, so you'll most likely prefer to press and hold the power button, not power and volume up. Yeah. And now the last method is actually going to the recent apps by clicking on this button right here, the LC button, or sliding up and holding. Now I'll need to open an app for this first. Now let's slide up and hold, or click on the LC button, and now you can tap on screenshot, and you'll screenshot just this app without the top bar. This is pretty interesting. And you basically have it. Let's just like go out of it. Now I'll show you what you can do with your where am I? Excuse me. Okay. Yeah, and if you go to gallery and go to screenshot, you'll see all your screenshots. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.